Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dance
Yo, you need to check out the news, you know. Link your brethren them with drive and make them know say if you can link Paula to and Rossi, make them know say man a whole up people from Mount Russell go straight back to St. Anne's Bay any time of the day. I jump out a tree and them thing there, I cut people roof open and I bust up people tire with them gunshot. Big things are going, you see me? I read the newspaper, you know, and you see like how you watch Fast and the Furious 1 and you see them attack the truck them? Yeah, that are gone. High powered weapons, you know, people are cut up, like legit. People are jump out a bush, chop down tree for stop people, grease the road. All them things they are gone, you see me? So as much as possible, if you can minimize the amount of traveling you do between Ochi and Kingston, or if you can minimize the amount of valuables you travel with as well, that would probably help you. If you have no bridging where I drive, make the bridging them know if you take highway and come in at the daytime. Nobody drive at night. So, yo, pass this out as soon as possible to anybody you know, them a target big vehicle and truck. So, or even crossover type vehicles. You know, the new Suzuki them or whatever it is, them a target people who look like them have money. You don't know what I go on, police not really jump on it yet, but one of the situation is that one man did a drive come down whichever vehicle, them jump out of the bush, the man swerve them and speed up, you see me, and them shut out the man tire. The man get way about a couple miles up the road and stop and check the vehicle and realize him tire bust up. Now you see that a one instance. Now it escalate. Them have stop points along the road from Mount Russell, go straight back to Ocherius, probably all Jaxal. So me want making from Chalky Hill to Jaxal, which is at least 11 miles. You see me? So just imagine that. So on a one road and there is no turn off. You see me? So I say, yo, make sure your people them know. Say, yo, when them a drive with less valuables, drive with only bare necessities. And when them a drive, if them can, take highway and drive early. Cause them people a hold up the people them in a broad daylight too. And night time. So it don't really matter what time of day. And nobody now go contest them because police don't start go upon them yet. So me just make you know from now. Zine, pass it out.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I just presented a audio of someone talking about robberies that had happened to motorists within the parishes of St. Catherine and St. Anne, that is within the country of Jamaica. And the person also talk about the time of these robberies, whether it be day or night. And the person also talk about if persons can avoid these areas, you see. And the person also talk about other things as well. So upon hearing this, viewers and subscribers, I became curious, you know, so I did some research, you know, because, you know, something like this, you know, it just made me curious. So I did some research and I found a report from, you know, the newspaper company. I call them the newspaper company that is known as the Gleaner. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, I found a report in the Gleaner that is of Jamaica, alright? And there's a report that says that truck drivers had been robbed, right, within the parishes of St. Catherine and St. Anne. And based on some of the things that I've read in the whole report about these incidents is that it seems as if the truck drivers that had been robbed are those that carry goods from Kingston to the North Coast. You see what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? Now, some of the methods that you know, that has been said in the report of how these robbers do their robberies, you know, to me, I'm saying that this is nothing shorter than a movie. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, this is like some Hollywood movie or something. You see me? Because I read a part in the whole report where it says that truck driver don't even realize that the truck had been relieved of goods, like, persons take the goods off the truck without the truck driver realizing, and a part of it where it says that the persons run down the truck and hop on the truck, and the persons I'm talking about is the persons that are claimed to be the robbers, right? Yes, so it says that these persons that are claimed to be the robbers, will do some ingenious things like cut down trees, in order to block the road so that they can rob the truck, or them throw grease on the road, in order if you can do all them robberies and all these things. That's what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers. There's even a part in the report I read where it says that a truck driver narrowly escaped with his life. That's what I'm saying to you. You see it? And these kind of things, viewers and subscribers, a lot of people is going to be concerned. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah. There's also a part where it says that, police from some of the divisions of these robberies, they are aware of these things. That's what I'm saying to you. And you don't know, viewers and subscribers, it makes me wonder, it just makes me wonder. You see it? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I am only here to let you know what's out there on social media. Is what I'm saying to you. And I heard this audio and I became curious. I did some research, and I did the research and I found a report of, it says that truck that are carrying goods are being robbed, from within the parishes of St. Catherine and St. Anne. Alright, yeah, you don't know. I'm only here to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what go on. And these things is out there on social media and in news report, and I'm just letting you know. Alright, yeah. So you can let me know what you think about something like this. Alright, until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see.